Here's a quick demo of the J&L Bosch EV1 Noid light. So we've got one of the injectors unplugged. Any Bosch EV1 connector is compatible with this Noid light. Basically, you're going to just plug the Noid light in, and when we crank the engine, we'll see a very bright LED pulse. If you're not getting a pulse, or if you just want to check to make sure that you have power on your injector circuit, you're going to take the 2mm banana connector and plug it into the socket that's in the Noid light. And then you'll take the grounding clip and you can ground it anywhere. You can put it on your negative terminal of the battery or any grounding point. For example, we'll just put it on this bracket here, and you're going to turn your ignition key on, and so without cranking the vehicle, I'm indicating that there is power on the injector circuit. The J&L Bosch EV1 Noid light will not backfeed ground signal into the wiring harness, so you cannot backfeed ground into the harness to the engine control module. At the same time, if you inadvertently, by mistake, were to connect this ground terminal to positive, the circuitry inside of the Noid light will not allow the positive signal to backfeed into the harness either. So it's impossible to cause any damage to the engine control module. The Noid light is also set up that regardless of polarity, so if your positive was on this white wire or if the positive is on the red wire, the Noid light's still going to work. So it is not polarity sensitive. The circuitry inside the Noid light will always, no matter where the positive is on the connection, the Noid light is going to function. So depending, again, different manufacturers would have the positive on either terminal 1 or terminal 2, depending.